Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Hyper-realistic, modern Zen garden, large house with dark gray stone exterior, dark slate gray and white rectangular paving stones forming a path through a meticulously landscaped garden, dark gray gravel and river stones surrounding the path, various shades of green bushes and small trees, large boulders scattered throughout the garden beds, large windows on the house featuring indoor living spaces visible from the garden, lush green grass surrounding the garden, mature trees lining one edge of the garden, soft natural light, calm and serene atmosphere. Modern, landscaped backyard with a contemporary house. Hyper-realistic. Large, light gray beige house with a flat roof, dark brown wooden accents, and large glass windows. Stone retaining walls, various shades of brown, gray, and tan, create tiered levels in the garden. The walls are formed from irregular, natural river rocks. Paths and steps, made of light gray gravel, wind down the terrace landscape, leading to the lower levels of the garden. Bright orange/red flowering plants, possibly succulents or similar, are prominent throughout, intermixed with various shades of green foliage, including bushes, shrubs, and grasses. Modern, hyper-realistic, exterior of a home with a contemporary stone facade. Dark gray/black stone walls, dark wood beams and a covered porch. Landscaped garden around the house entrance featuring meticulously arranged, low-lying hedges and bushes in various greens and autumnal oranges/reds. Pathway of dark gray/black rectangular pavers leading down steps through the garden, nestled on a bed of small, dark gray pebbles. Rocks of varying sizes and shades of gray are strategically placed among the plants. Diffuse natural light giving a soft glow. Evergreen trees in the background. Warm/cool color palette. Attention to detail in the landscaping, emphasizing a sense of calm and tranquility. Modern, hyper-realistic, front yard landscape design, contemporary home with dark gray/black slate paver walkways, leading to the entrance of a two-story home. Brownish tan ornamental grasses and small shrubs, vibrant red/purple Japanese maples, and small, dark green, dense bushes create a layered, Japanese garden-inspired landscape. Autumnal colors in the leaves, with muted browns, grays, and oranges. The contemporary home features a dark gray/black exterior facade, accented with light brown/wood tone trim. A stone entry pillar, with a wooden fascia under a larger dark-colored roof, is directly above the entrance. Gravel paths wind through the landscaped area. Modern, landscaped backyard. Hyper-realistic. Large, contemporary house with light beige/gray stone exterior and dark gray metal roofing. Mature trees and lush greenery in various shades of green, olive, and brown. A meandering path of gray slate paving stones, edged with small, light beige river rocks. Several large, dark brown/rust-colored, sphere-shaped decorative rocks/statues positioned strategically along the path and garden bed. Beds filled with grasses, shrubs in varying shades of green, and other plantings. Plenty of natural light. Warm earth tones dominate the scene. Focus on the elegance and texture of the design. Modern Zen garden, hyperrealistic, a wooden deck with a low stone retaining wall, extends from a contemporary home with dark gray exterior walls and warm brown wooden accents. A gravel path winds through the landscape, edged with varied-sized rocks, and planted with small, low-growing shrubs and flowering plants in terracotta pots. A vibrant orange-red maple tree provides fall-like color. The light is bright and slightly diffused, casting soft shadows. The colors are a mix of deep grays, warm browns, muted greens, and pops of burnt orange and terracotta. The overall style is modern minimalist landscape design. Modern, landscaped backyard, hyperrealistic, large, dark gray house with wooden accents, lush green lawn, various green and vibrant plants, including shrubs, bushes, and small trees, decorative black river stones, a stream of stones, reddish-brown rocks, large dark gray planter, patio area with dark furniture, natural light, clear glass doors and windows, trees in the background, bright green grass, warm colors in the garden beds, calm, peaceful atmosphere. Modern Zen garden, hyperrealistic, large, contemporary wooden house with large glass walls overlooking a meticulously maintained Zen garden. Light beige and gray gravel raked pathways and patterns throughout. Large, dark gray/gray stones and flat, light gray paving stones are strategically placed throughout the garden. Various shades of green foliage and bushes and small trees, including some with autumnal red and orange tones. A slatted wooden fence. Sunlight filters through the trees casting soft shadows throughout the garden. The house has a modern design, warm brown wooden siding and large windows that showcase the interior light wood accents. A modern outdoor deck, hyperrealistic, with a large wooden deck leading from a contemporary home. Warm, golden hour sunlight filtering through trees. The deck has a multi-level design with stairs leading down to a stone walkway. The deck is made of reddish-brown wood planks. Dark gray stone or slate patio pavers create pathways and edges around the deck. Various sized rocks and pebbles in gray, brown, and tan tones create a natural, Zen-like landscaping garden effect around the outdoor area. Plants and shrubs in green and brown tones surround the deck and garden. Dark gray modern furniture is visible on the deck, including couches and pillows. Modern, hyperrealistic, landscape design with a contemporary home. A flowing, shallow water feature with smooth, dark gray river stones, in a channel framed by dark metal. The water feature leads to a modern home with a stone exterior, dark gray/black metal accents, and large sliding glass doors. The home is nestled within a lush, landscaped garden with various sized stones, plants, and trees. The late evening or sunset light casts warm tones on the scene. The garden is well maintained with a mix of greenery, including shrubs and grasses. The stonework and pathways are a mix of light and dark gray stone. A wood-burning fireplace is visible inside through the glass doors. Modern house, contemporary pathway, hyperrealistic, sunlight, orange-brown building with large windows reflecting the sky, light gray paving stones with moss growing in the cracks, creating a pathway through a well-landscaped area, various types of green plants, including grasses, palm trees, succulents, and agave. orange-reddish grasses bordering the walkway, light blue/gray gravel at the base of plants, a distant hill with trees and a glimpse of buildings, clear blue sky, minimal shadows, carefully designed and well-maintained landscaping, natural light, detailed textures of plants and stones, wide-angle view.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.